Salom do'stlar, ushbu videomizda listeningga oid mashqlar qilamiz.
Only when he consents.
Only when he consents.
Great work.
Yaxshi, demak eshitib gaplarni topishimiz kerak ekan.
Listen to the woman.
Listen to the woman.
Fantastic.
Times are different now.
Times are different now.
Good.
Yaxshi, keyingisi.
She'll be all right.
She'll be all right dedim.
Amazing.
All right dedi. Va endi oxirgisini qo'yib beraman. Eshitasizlar va kommentariyada yozib qoldirasizlar.
Let me have the desk. Let me have the desk.
Yana bir qo'yib beraman.
Let me have the desk.
Kommentariyada yozib qoldiringlar.